Hi, Cree from nuCamp RV, product specialist, and we're going to be continuing our video series where we look into some pretty common questions we get here at the factory. So this week's question comes in from Daniel in Colorado, and he's wondering how to set his Alde Control Panel. So let's take a look.
Okay, so we're going to go over the panel here. We have it on the screen right here. You can see that the panel itself is off right now. You're going to want to push the power button right here. And this is going to be off the 3020 system. The 3010 and the 3020 pretty much had the same interface, so don't worry about that. Right here is standby mode. What you're going to want to do is press menu, and the first set of numbers that you see here is what the system is set to as far as temperature goes. So you can raise the temperature by pushing the plus symbol, and you can lower the temperature by pressing the minus symbol. So now that we went over that, next you have domestic hot water. Right now it is on normal mode, so this is for washing dishes, supplying the average amount of hot water. You can go into boost mode. This will give you extra hot water for about 30 minutes, and then it'll shut itself off. The temperature is going to be around 140 degrees to 155 degrees Fahrenheit. When you're on normal operation, it's going to be around 120 to 125. And then if you don't want any hot water, you're going to press the minus symbol again, and there's not going to be anything there. But I would always recommend having it halfway. Next we have shore power. So a lot of people ask why there is a 1 kilowatt and a 2 kilowatt setting. When you're at home, most likely you're going to have a 15 amp circuit. You're going to want to have it on 1 kW. That means half power. A lot of times if you try to have it on 2 when you don't have a 30 amp shore power connection, there's not going to be enough support for that, enough electrical support or power. So once you get to the campsite and you have 30 amp, put it on 2 and it's going to heat faster, but it's better to have it on 1 when you're at home, when you're in the garage, so it can at least heat. So let's say you're boondocking and you still need heating but you don't have shore power. You're going to press the propane symbol. What that does is now the power of the heating components inside the system, there's 2 of them, and they're going to run off of propane. Keep in mind, when you have this on propane, you're still going to need some 12 volt battery power. It's going to draw about 1.9 amps on startup. That'll be for about 5 to 10 seconds, and after that it's going to draw 0.6 amps. So it's very, very efficient on battery power when you're on propane. So propane when you're boondocking, and shore power when you are at the campsite and you have an electrical source. So that's the basic function of the Alde Control Panel. If you have any other questions, you can give us a call at 330-852-4811 and press 9 for customer service, or email customerservice@nucamprv.com. Thank you.